Follow me around today, you guys. Today's video, I'm just going to be showing you how I'm going to prepare for my Israel trip. I'm going in 2 weeks, but I'm going to Afghanistan next week. So there's a lot of stuff I need to buy for both places because I'm going to an orphanage in Afghanistan. It was the orphanage I visited last time. If you guys watched my videos last time, then you saw the orphanage. I went there and I talked to the kids who their parents were killed by US soldiers, and they weren't mad at me. They sang me a beautiful song. No one had any ill will towards me, even though they knew your people killed our parents. So they are just orphans sitting in one of the poorest countries in the world, Afghanistan. And they're still the sweetest kids on earth. So I told them I'd be back. So I'm making good on my word. I'm coming back. And I'm gonna bring them stuff this time because last time I went there empty-handed. I went empty-handed and I felt really bad about that. Because those kids only had like one pair of socks, one pair of shoes, one shirt, one pair of pants. And they were cold because it's freezing in Afghanistan. Back, getting stuff for them, and then I'm going to Israel afterward. So got a shot for that trip. I was told people need shampoo. People, literally, their homes were bombed. So they said like shampoo, conditioner, hair brushes, sweaters, like just normal everyday practical stuff. I'm going to arrive with a lot of suitcases. Also, I'm putting a new product on Maryjane'sWorldTour.com, which is my website. So I need to go get the last bit of stuff for my new product that I'm putting on my website because the hair growth oils are gone. Actually, there's one hair growth oil left. It's the rosemary neem. I have literally a few left. So I'll link it down below if you want the rosemary neem, but the amla, everything else, it's all gone. It's all sold out. So yeah, I think we're just gonna head to the mall, my second home, and yeah, let's go. I'm in a hotel. I'm very close to my apartment, but I wanted to come to a hotel down the street. I wanted to take pictures for the new thing that's going to be on my website on Mary Jane's World Tour. I wanted to take pictures like in a hotel, packing it away. I need to head to my apartment actually in a couple minutes, and then I can come back here because I want to pack some suitcases full of stuff that I'm going to bring to Israel for the families. They need a lot of stuff, just basic everyday stuff, body wash, so I've been buying that. And then on top of that, I'm going, I'll be in Afghanistan next week, and I'm revisiting the orphanage that I went to before. If you then bring some toys, I'm going to bring some stuffed animals. So anyways, I'm doing 2 different trips. I'm going to Afghanistan, and I'm going to bring the kids clothes and like stuffed animals and toys and stuff and socks because winter is so cold in Afghanistan, and they don't have this on my website today. So I also went shopping for the new item on my website, which is my little airplane kit. It's so cute. So I'll kind of break down everything that's in here. So this is now on Maryjane'sWorldTour.com, and basically it's just your little airplane. So when you're on a flight, this is everything good. It's got the actual stuff that I actually use in Dubai. I mean, it's got the actual stuff that I actually use when I go to Japan and purchase stuff. So it's the real deal. So anyways, I'll break down what's in here, and this is a video. This one is just a demo. But I'll break down what's in here, and I genuinely travel with this stuff in my purse. So I just put it in a little bag for you guys if you want to get it. It's now available on my website. I'd love if you went and grabbed it because it is useful stuff. But I'll just break it down what's in here. So first of all, the worst, I've been on these flights before. The worst thing that could possibly happen is your lips start to get dry and chapped while you're on a flight, and there's nothing you can do about it. My favorite lip product that I've ever used is the Paul. So you can put it on your lips. It gives a little tint. Put it on your cheeks like this. It gives a little blush. So it can be like you're about to land and you don't want to look dead like a zombie, so you put it on your lips and you can put it on your cheeks. So that's why I love Pop Off, especially for flights. Holy grail of all time is the niacinamide by, so basically what this is it prevents acne. So I used to always break out right after a flight, especially a long flight. I'd be on a long flight, I'd arrive at my hotel and go to sleep. I'd wake up with pimples because I don't know, I think it's the recycled air in the plane. So I learned that niacinamide prevents that. So now I use niacinamide every day, but niacinamide basically, so you want to put it on before the flight. Put it on, wash your face, put the niacinamide on, and then put moisturizer on. And basically the niacinamide prevents the breakout. It's a shield on your skin, and niacinamide literally goes into your skin and prevents breakouts, but it's also brightening. Niacinamide also is smoothing. It helps with texture, but I now, before every flight, I cover my face in niacinamide. Yeah. I put that on before the flight though. Then I got eye masks because these are 24 karat gold eye masks for obvious reasons. I need some right now because I've been working a lot, but it's 24 karat gold, which I'm reading right here, slows down the appearance of aging, gives a youthful glow. It's got collagen and hyaluronic acid, and it just feels really good. So like during the flight you can put these on, or right before you land you can put these on, so that you don't look like a dead zombie when you're landing. And I put some feminine wipes because I always use feminine wipes when I'm on a plane. I'm not going to use that toilet paper because I don't know who's touching it. I don't know who's cleaning that toilet paper, and then I'm gonna use that toilet paper to use the airplane's toilet paper. I just don't trust it. So yeah, feminine wipe, lip mask. Like I said, a nightmare is being on a plane and your lips are chapped and there's nowhere you can go for a chapstick. You gotta sit and just let your lips be chapped. And you know when you lick your lips and then your lips burn, you gotta keep licking them and keep licking them and keep licking them. That happened to me too many times, like 2 or 3 times, and I was dying. And I promised myself that day, I said, I am never gonna let this happen again. These are cooling pads. So these are the ones I bought a bunch of these boxes. So I buy this exact brand, and I buy these cooling gels before when I was in Japan. So basically I put 2 of them in this pack, and basically if you're burning hot, this will cool you down. So there's 2 cooling pads in each packet. And so basically, let's say you're having a hot flash, or let's just say, because this has happened to me all the time, I'm suddenly burning hot on a plane. And I've been on planes where like we're stopped on the runway and we've been on the runway for 20-30 minutes and the plane is hot and people are complaining and people are like, I'm hot. That's happened to me so many times where I'm burning hot on the plane, you can't go anywhere. and they were like, just stay in your seats, and everyone's burning up and sweating. That's happened to me too many times. So these cooling pads are basically, if you're on a hot plane and it didn't take off yet, or you just landed but it's taking forever to get for them to park the plane and then everyone to get off. So these are cooling pads for emergencies when you're burning hot. The best places to put them, they kind of have it on here, is under your arms, on your legs, under your feet, here, and it'll cool your whole body down. It's just really cooling, and it really will cool you down. 3 disposable gel eye masks. These are really nice if you put them in the fridge. I got it from Melissa. But these are really nice if you put them in the fridge. I'm gonna open one of them so you can see. I have tons of them. So it's just basically really, okay, you can't see. I'll show you. This is really jelly. It feels like so this is, I put 3 of these in the little kit, and basically it's a gel eye mask. So this would be for if you go to sleep on the plane and you want your eyes to be really hydrated. So the gel is on the inside, but it won't stay on your skin. It's like in here, it's got hyaluronic acid in here, it's got aloe in here, it's got vitamin C, so it's gonna basically brighten and just help you relax. Is face mask. So just traditional. I've been using these for years. I've been buying this for years, this exact face mask. Anytime I go to Asia, and the honey one is just, it's just the best. It's so good, and it's so hydrating. And I actually do this after the plane. I forgot something. This mask is in there. I love these masks for your neck. It's goat's milk neck mask. So it's the same idea. If you really want to land looking like Naomi Campbell, put the mask on, put the neck mask on, put the eye mask on, and then just stay like that during your flight. When you land, you'll be looking like a goddess. So that's my little sorta pack. It's now available on MaryJanesWorldTour.com, and yes, it comes with this. I really like see-through bags because I don't have to. What's in it? Exactly what you need to grab. So I got the clear ones for you guys. If you purchase, it comes with the bag. I'm really excited for you guys to get it. By the way, I sold the dress on my website that I wore in Egypt, that red dress I wore in Egypt. I was like, I know I'm not going to wear this dress again. So I put it on my website. I was like, if anyone wants to buy it, it's on my website. And one of my followers bought it, and she sent me a picture, and I literally was like, stop. I put the picture here because she allowed me to show it. She looks gorgeous. I was like, I'm not even gonna sit here in front. You look better than me in this dress. Like, she tore it. And I just wanted to show you guys here on my website because I was like, you look gorgeous. And she said she said it arrived right before her birthday, so it was like perfect that it got to her before her birthday because she wore the dress on her birthday. I was like, I can't. So I just wanted to put her picture here because she looked so gorgeous. So anyways, I've got some packed days. The next few days are going to be packed. I need to purchase some more suitcases so I can pack stuff for Afghanistan and for Israel. Also, I'm planning to help. It's so hard to help the families in Palestine because they're locked in Palestine. They can't leave. So I can't go there and do anything for them right now. I'm trying to help the Israelis. I can't get in Palestine. What else? Just working on my website. I'm really excited. The hair oils are gone, but my little travel airplane kit is now available. And other than that, my guides are available. still, just give it to a woman in your life. Be like, hey, this came in this package and I don't need it. But it could be for a woman or a man. If you want to be beautiful and hydrated and prepared and not break out on your flights. And also sometimes it's just really relaxing to do all that, to take care of your face and to put a face mask on and to have a good your lips moisturized and just feel really hydrated. It's just relaxing in general, you know, because flights are sometimes annoying. Who wants to be trapped in the sky for hours and hours and hours and hours and hours and hours? But I love flights these days. I love flights. But I do know a lot of people need to focus, like they don't like them, so they just try and relax. So anyways, those are now on my website, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Thank you so much, you guys, for watching. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. We got some exciting stuff coming. Love you guys. Bye.